Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how AI can help you create a brand strategy for your business or for your personal brand. In this video, I'll cover 3 steps. The first one is product positioning, the second one is consistent marketing message, and the last one is marketing copy. So here is an example what I got for FounderPal, AI-powered marketing platform. I'll just quickly show the screenshots now, and then we will deep dive into platform itself, and I'll show you how it looks like there. So long story short, AI didn't just help me align the marketing message across all the communications that I have, but it also created me some actionable marketing assets like marketing copy that I can use right now on my landing page and all my marketing communications. So to be more detailed, the first step that I did was product positioning to help me stand out from the competition. Here I got a big idea that I can use to get my audience attention, also value proposition itself, promises, reasons to ditch the status quo and use my product instead of it, and also strengths that can make my product stand out from competitors. So it's not just tips or advice, it's exact marketing copy that I can use. So here is an example of promises that I can use to build connection with my target audience. The next one is the hardest part of brand marketing is having consistent marketing message across all the communications that your product has. So it's all about marketing style that your target audience can relate to. It's also about what your brand ambassador does and how he or she communicates with the audience. It's also about brand values, stories, actions, and of course, sacrifices that you make to feel your brand, your product sincere and closer to the customer. And the last thing that AI helped me with is marketing copy, like exact words that I can use in my landing page, in my emails, in my communications. So, for example, I can use sales speech for my product demo video on the landing page, or I can also use these hook questions to get the attention of my audience because they will feel connected. They will feel that I know exactly what problem they're trying to solve. So I gave you some examples and now let's see how it looks like on the platform and how you can customize the responses to your business or to your personal brand. The first step of branding strategy is coming up with your product positioning. So just a quick step back, when you do onboarding to FounderPal platform, you describe your business, you insert the link to your landing page, you add all the peculiarities that you know and you want to add. So AI already knows the basics about your product, but if you have some more extra info that can influence your positioning, then you add it during the asset personalization. So here you can choose the persona that you want to target. If there are many, you can choose all of them or just choose one. You also choose the offer because some products have many offers like a monthly, a yearly subscription, a plan for agency, a plan for founders, and other. And also there are some other fields that you can fill in if you have some like peculiarities that can influence product positioning. And if you're short on time, you can always use a voice helper and then just click the button generate and it will come up with your product positioning in less than 1 minute. So here is an example of the result that I got. So the next tool is brand marketing generator, and it will help you to come up with a consistent marketing message across all the communications that you have in your product. Here you can also do all the personalization as I described in the previous step. You can choose your persona, product offer, and then add some extra comments if you have. So here is the example that I got for my product. And the last step, as I discussed, was marketing copy, the most actionable asset that you can get for your branding strategy, because it's like exact wordings that you can use right now for your product promotion, for your marketing funnel, for your email communications, and all the other marketing communications that you have. And if I want to go deeper, I can always ask my AI marketing assistant to generate more marketing assets or to prioritize something or to create an action plan to implement my branding strategy. But just a quick example, I'll choose an existing template and show you how it works. So in less than 1 minute, AI helped me with the answer to my question, and Also, if I have more other question, I just can keep chatting here in the marketing copy asset, or I can use another quick tasks, another template to make the job done. So that's pretty much it. That's how FounderPal can help you coming up with a brand strategy for your product. You can go to FounderPal, start the onboarding process for free and see how it works.